What up, family? So, happy Memorial Day to everybody. So I just wanted to jump on here real quick. I'm sand on my shoes and all that. So, I did some walking. It's a nice day out here. So anyway, so my last video, y'all saw that, I was at the range. Oh man, people playing the music. So here at the beach. So yeah, so because I was in the indoor, from the gunshots, it was loud, echoey, so you can't hear. So I was saying a whole bunch of stuff, but nobody could hear. That's crazy. And then got some shells. Got in my shirt or my sweater. But anyway, if y'all couldn't hear, sorry for that. But I wanted to let y'all know that I've always been interested in buying a bike, motorcycle. So, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. And I've been looking at a few of them, but I don't know which one to get. What's some good bikes out there? And I don't know. We'll see. Depending on oh man, my shorts. Thanks for all the views I get from my shorts. Easily 4K views on my shorts. Thank all you guys for that. And if we can get 4K views on my shorts, I know I can get at least 150K followers or subs. Let's see if we can get them subs up. We're on our way up with the subs and everything. So, and I'll continue to get more videos out to you guys. Yeah, man. And as them subs go up, then I don't know. I'll see what bike I'm gonna get. Yeah, but it's not gonna be a long video. I'm just out here enjoying the beach, as y'all see, on this Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. If I didn't say it, make sure you guys hit that like and sub to the channel. Yeah, man. What are you guys doing for Memorial Day? Okay, this is not gonna be a long one. Might go out here and get my feet wet. So yeah, like I said, this is a quick one. I just wanted to get up on here and tell you guys about the shooting. The day I went to the shooting range. Man, I know y'all like can't hear shit. But yeah, so I'll get up with y'all later. Peace.